Alright, so you need some drum loops for your Amapiano beats. Check it out. Yo, the name is Gosa and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, we are in our first video now. I'm gonna take you through these drum loops, but first of all, big shout out to PBA, alright, for creating this drum loops. So guys, you're gonna watch this till the end to know the password to unzip this file. Remember, the password is in 4 digits and each of the number will be appearing at a certain point in the video. So watch the video and write down the password, okay, to unzip this. It's a game, alright. Feel free to use it for free. Very simple. So without wasting much time, let's start by introducing the drum loops. I'm gonna start with the top one. Let's listen to it. We move to the second one. Alright, so that's the third one. Crazy, man. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Very simple. Let's continue. All that you need is to drag them and drop them, chop where you want, and you can start your Amapiano beat with it. Let's continue. Crazy, crazy. Let's move on. So guys, watch the video to the end and download it for free. Know the password, all right? So it's very simple. Watch the video to the end to know the password. Okay, the password is in the form of 4 digits, and each number will be popping up at a certain point in the video. So watch it and write the 4 numbers down so that you can unzip the file. Very simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Let's continue. Alright guys, so these are the free drum loops that you can use to make your Amapiano beat. Very simple. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, and I hope by now you know the password to unzip the file. If you didn't see the 4 digits numbers, just go back and watch the video again. Alright, very simple. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.